I have over 111,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel, and my last video got less than 300 views. That means for every 1,000 subscribers, 3 of them are watching. Something is fundamentally broken. And today I'm going to tell you exactly what it is and how I'm going to fix it. So you can see my analytics page here, and it is not pretty. The truth is, the subscriber number looks pretty good, but the actual engagement is abysmal, and it is all my fault. I haven't been consistent, I haven't had a clear niche, and most importantly, I have not been connecting and building an actual community online. The YouTube algorithm is very smart. It saw that you guys weren't watching, and it stopped pushing my videos. And my channel is in a death spiral, but we're stopping that today. So here's the plan for the new FasterFreedom channel, or the rebirth of the FasterFreedom channel. And it's built around 3 commitments to you. Number 1, I'm going to stick with a niche focus. No more random videos. I'm going to go deep into one specific topic. And that specific topic is going to be helping new investors buy their first rental property, or maybe their next rental property, in the next 12 months. I'm going to cover finding deals, funding deals, analyzing numbers, building teams, property management, everything from A to Z to go from wanting to invest in real estate to actually investing in real estate and all the steps needed to buy rental properties in today's market. Secondly, I'm going to be consistent with my posting. You can expect a brand new video every Thursday afternoon at 4 p.m. Central. No more guessing, is he going to post or not? Every single week at that time, you will be getting a video. And the third point is, I want to make this a conversation and a community. I will be responding to every single comment on every single video going forward personally. My goal is to help build a real impactful community via this channel. Back when I started and was more consistent, I would get DMs on Instagram almost every single week from people saying, I watched your YouTube content and it helped me buy my first deal or buy my next deal or avoid a pitfall. I want to start getting those DMs again. Now I need your help. If you're still here, you're obviously serious about real estate investing, and I have 2 things to ask. First, please hit that subscribe button again to make sure you're subscribed, and also make sure that notification bell is on. I know that can be annoying, but it will really help both of us. This tells YouTube that you actually want to see my videos. One click of a button for you has a massive impact on the algorithm and my channel. Actually, our channel. The second and most important part is to leave a comment at the bottom of this video. Tell me what's your number 1 thing holding you back from investing in real estate. Is it knowledge? Is it fear? Is it time? Is it funding? Is it deals? Or is it something else that's holding you back? Be honest, because your comments will not only be answered by me, they will help build a roadmap for this channel going forward. I want to thank you for your support. This new journey starts now with your help. I will see you in the comments, and I will see you next Thursday. I know this was a short one, but I wanted to get this point across and leave it only about you and making this channel right for you. I appreciate your support, and help me help you buy real estate in 2026. I promise it's going to be the best financial thing you ever do. See you on the next one.